For the last 4 decades, the countries and economies have become more integrated with each other. In that regard, the recent very high tariff policies by the US administration has a direct effect to global economy, and there will be repercussions for the global trade in general, and also global supply chains. The world trade there will be undermined dramatically, and also there will be more negative growth for coming months, maybe years. Of course, there will be a dramatic effect to the American consumers too, because the high tariffs means the high taxes for imported products. So these products will be get with higher price, so they need to pay more for their purchases, and also there will be increasing living costs in the United States.